Hello guys, it's me again, Manito. I come video a shout out fast and quick, yeah. I gonna make one video later down, so watch. Now at 2:26, boy now 6 o'clock also, the video ready. Yeah, so alright. The first channel now I get a shout out is S capital S capital V capital G gang. SVG gang. People, go subscribe to that channel now. S capital V capital G gang. SVG gang. Go subscribe, like and share their channel and make them know say I miss sending over there. Okay guys, make them know that it's me. Leave a comment and make them know that it's me. Subscribe, watch them video, like them, yeah. Next channel is I can't pronounce it, but me will spell it. SHORTAII. Yeah, that's our first name. Then in the second name is BABII. The letter I know. Yeah, so me spell it again. SHORTAI. Yeah. Next, the type first name I channel now is the last name I channel now. BABII. Yeah. Go subscribe to that channel, like, share, everything I'm telling you. Make them know say I'm me sending over there. Yeah. Go subscribe, like and comment. Yeah. And press the notification bell. The next channel is Free Fire Nation. You must know to spell Free Fire because Free Fire is a game. Free Fire Nation. You must can spell that. Free, then fire, then nation. Go subscribe to that channel, like and leave a comment and make them know say I'm missing you over there. I'll do them up. Yeah, then post a video, yeah. Leave a comment. But I see you and them not post a video yet. Not even a comment and they'll post a video because you can leave a comment and then post a video. The next channel is Kev Boss. KEV Boss BOSS. Go subscribe to that channel, like and subscribe. The next last and final channel for today, I'm gonna go do some today. I'm gonna do the rest. Yeah, that day is them, you see me? The next channel is WB Gang TV JA. So capital W, capital B, space Gang GANG TV and then capital J and capital A. Go subscribe, like and share. It's Monday week, I go give a shout out as much as I can. And you see you viewers, you see if you have a channel, just send your channel. I mean, I don't know your channel, send a channel. Can get a shout out. And all who me subscribe to no channel and don't know my channel, yeah. Give me a shout out and tell me when you give me shout out. That's me can go and shout out also too. Yeah. So when you give me a shout out all who have channel and tell other people, your friends them who have channel to give me a shout out and send them link and let me give them a shout out to also. So soon send a video. You soon see your next video.